If you guys have a classic body style GMC Sierra and you're looking to get it lifted, add some new wheels and tires, we're gonna go over what we did to this one that we just got done lifting here at Krietz Customs. So to get started, I'm going over the lift kit, which is gonna be that 7-inch Rough Country suspension lift. And this one's gonna have that strut spacer. So when you get a lift kit from Rough Country, you do have a couple different options depending on the height for the lift kit that you choose. This one, we went with the strut spacers, but you do have a couple of other options with the getting the extended lift or extended struts, as well as the Vertex coilovers. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be a hybrid tire. So it's going to have a mix between the all-terrain and mud-terrain features. So this one's going to have that aggressive sidewall, that thicker tread that a mud-terrain tire has, and it's going to also give you some of those off-road capabilities, but it's also going to give you the quiet ride and the longer tread life of an all-terrain tire. If you want to go with a different brand of tire, you can go with the Nitto Grappler, which is a tire that we recommend highly. But you can also go with the Toyota Open Country AT3. Down here we have a 22x10 Fuel Blitz, and this is one of our most popular wheels that we like to use. It looks really good on pretty much everything, but this one's going to have not as deep of a dish as a 22x12, and it's going to also allow us to fit this underneath this vehicle without any extensive rubbing, thanks to the offset, which is only going to stick the wheel and tire package out past the fenders only by like 2 to 3 inches. So with that, we do have to do some trimming still along this plastic piece to make sure there isn't any rubbing, even with the 10 wide. But overall, this is a really good looking wheel, and this one does come in a couple of different finishes as well. It comes in a platinum finish, all gloss black, and this gloss black and milled in many different sizes as well. So if you guys like this build package, we can get it for you and put it on your vehicle right here at Krietz Customs. But make sure you check out our 0% financing options so you can go ahead and get your vehicle lifted now and pay later.